The universe is full of astonishing wonders, but with every marvel comes a nightmare. Among the many bizarre creatures, one stands out as particularly terrifying: Cymothoa Exigua, the tongue-eating parasite. This alien-like critter isn't just the stuff of nightmares, it's a real-life horror story for fish. Cymothoa Exigua, a parasitic isopod, looks eerily similar to the chestbursters from the movie Alien. These creatures enter a fish's mouth, latch onto the tongue, and slowly drain blood until the organ atrophies. But that's just the beginning. Once the tongue withers away, the parasite takes over, literally becoming the fish's new tongue. Imagine that, having a creature replace a part of your body. Thankfully, humans aren't on this parasite's menu. Cymothoa Exigua targets fish, not people, so you can breathe a sigh of relief. But the story of this tongue-eating louse is still worth knowing. Cymothoa Exigua belongs to the order Isopoda, which includes creatures like pillbugs and woodlice. These isopods are found all over the world, from deserts to deep oceans, with about 6,000 marine species. Out of these, around 280 are known to be tongue-eating parasites. Despite their terrifying behavior, these parasites are small, measuring only 0.3 to 0.6 inches long. They're also protandric hermaphrodites, meaning they start life as males and switch to females later on. The life cycle of Cymothoa Exigua begins when they enter the host fish through the gills. As juveniles, they're males, but as they mature, one of them becomes female and moves into the fish's mouth. There, she attaches herself to the base of the tongue, slowly sucking blood until the tongue disintegrates. She then takes over as the fish's new tongue, while the remaining males stay in the gills. The female parasite stays in her host's mouth for up to 3 years, feeding on blood or mucus. Meanwhile, the fish, surprisingly, continues its life as usual, though it might suffer from anemia, malnutrition, or breathing problems. The parasite eventually dies or detaches, leaving the fish to swallow it. While this process might sound like something out of a horror movie, there's no need to worry about Cymothoa Exigua harming humans. These parasites, though bizarre, play an important role in controlling the population of their host species and maintaining ecosystem balance. Still, the tongue-eating louse remains one of the strangest creatures in the animal kingdom. Subscribe for more videos like this. See you in next video.